So today's video, guys, we're going to be doing a lot of different work. As you see in the thumbnail, we got 3 different bits to put onto this vehicle, and I'm going to show you in detail how I do it and step by step. So we're going to be replacing the window track, we're going to be replacing the headlights, and then we're going to be replacing the most annoyingest little thing is this stop lamp switch. And if you step on your brakes, basically it won't show that you're on your brakes, and your third tail light won't turn on. Also, your hill assist won't activate. So Van Nuys Fiat said that her switch was broken. They did a scan on this thing, and that's why we're gonna switch it today. They did try to charge her $190 for this. I only got it for $8 off Amazon, so we're gonna get into it. So getting right into it, I got a knife. I never have the right tools. We're just gonna carefully get right up in there, not to scratch everything. Hold on. All right, just carefully get it. A little tiny nick, but that's okay. It's on the very top. Same thing, we're gonna take apart this chrome cover right over here. Let me see here. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so I went in from the key area. I went in right here by the handle and then gently popped it out. These things are plastic, so they can break super easy. So I'm gonna set that down really quick. So we have these 2 Allens, they're size 5, and then there's one side, this magic hole right here, and then there's some little butt plugs right here on the side of the door, which we're gonna pop them out. And no, I didn't do this before. This car, I guess whoever had it before me had done some window repair. They kind of messed up the switch, the little plugs right there. That's okay. So 1, 2, and that one weld underneath the car. Fantastic. So after that, we're gonna go in now with our tools, and we're gonna get our 5, and we're gonna get our Phillips. Have you guys seen in the last video? Yes, I was also taking this apart. Show you guys one of the common issues with the Fiat 500s. And that is indeed their windows. So this thing has been taken apart 3 times now. From the top. Yep, rip it right on off. Don't be scared to pop it off. Give it a little jiggle wiggle. There we go, just like that. She is off. I'm gonna come back here, and there is no electronics for the Fiat, which is a good thing. It's just the lock cable. All right, so basically pull down with the door card, take the cable right off, and bada bing bada boom. We're gonna get that 310s off all the way. And no, I'm not worried about this window falling because it is duct taped on there. So that one went underneath the car again. That's 2 parts underneath the car. Okay, just like that, we're gonna remove our OEM one. And you can see this whole entire thing actually fell off the track. That's crazy. This something that always breaks. You guys can see this little part right here. Hold on. This window switch actually is still good, but what went down is, and we can bring inside the car to look at the aftermarket one. So that window switch, basically the back clip is still on there. Hold on. Kinda had a little heart attack there. I know I ordered for the right side, but then it looks like it was for the left side. Then, so this has to go. It's gonna be really hard to show you guys, obviously, with having the camera in one hand, having tools in the other. So basically this thing right here, this little white clip, has to match up with the little hole that is inside there. But barely see it, but we got to get that white clip in there, so let me see here. Well, that took longer than it should have, but man, just like McLovin said, she is in. So let's zoom right into this glass. White piece right over there. It's hard to see it, but right on the back side is actually another clip here. So this guy right over here has a nice little lip, and that lip goes right into the hole of the window. So something else that I did find out about this car that I didn't know until now is that there's actually a little hole where a dimple goes in for a guide to the window so it can sit in there, and that one is not even there. So that might be a reason also why the window is falling apart. Oh, you saw that? That window doesn't look like it's in place. So, like I said, there's a little tiny dimple die that sits inside of here. So, it is what it is. At least the window works for now. And, up. Alright, so to do this part right here, you need to first locate your, not clutch, but your brake. I'm going right up from the brake. You need to find that blue stuff. So that's our switch right there, that blue cable. So I am upside down, my speech might be impaired over here. I'm gonna try my best to show you guys. We're gonna do a lefty loosey righty tighty, so let's see if that works out. That should be it. Come on, baby, come out. Oh, all right. So we got our little switch out. Ooh. Booyah. Let's switch out. Switch in. Alright, so if you guys are tackling this, that little hole right over there, we're gonna take our new clip and shove the white piece down, and then there's gonna be a little tiny like marker right there. You see that? How that blue piece slipped in right there? Alright, so let me slip it in the hole one more time. Damn, when I put it in, it goes on focus. So you want to slip it in there, and then you want to twist righty tighty, lefty loosey type thing. And in this case, we're gonna go righty tighty, so that way it's nice and locked in. And that's it. There really is no tools. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Put it in there, make sure it's in there. So now we're gonna go and see if the lights work, and if that doesn't work, then this car really does not love me. With any repairs that I do to it. So after this, we're gonna do headlights. Alright, so I was gonna do the install of the headlights, but stay tuned for the next video. It's gonna be like a full-on unboxing, full-on in-depth detail of what headlights I actually purchased. And I do have two pairs. I do have two different Fiats, so it won't be on this car that we're gonna do the headlights. If anything, I'm gonna let Happy do that on her own car. This is her car. I'm just, you know, helping out, put together what I can. But like I said, I'm gonna do a full-on review of this LED Verheeren light kit, you know, and if she does it on here, she does it, but if not, definitely stay tuned to the next video, guys. November, don't know, it might be a slow month this month, you know. I am filming this actually, to be honest with you guys, the same day that, you know, our end of the month meet is going on, so there's a lot more exciting stuff to happen to bring to the channel for sure. So definitely hit the subscription button, and as always guys, stay safe and stay chill.